Hello everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Python series, we are going to learn how to install Anaconda software. In previous video, we have learned how to download and install basic software IDE. Let's begin how to download the Anaconda software in our system. Open the browser and type it as Anaconda download. Just hit the enter button. We will see multiple links. Just click the first link in order to download the Anaconda software from the official website. Once I click this, it will recommend you to register this software, but it's unnecessary. You can skip this registration and it will open the screen for downloading the software. By default, it will give the button for Windows operating system. If you want to download for other operating systems like Mac and Linux, you can simply hit on these icons and you can download for respective operating systems. Here I am using the Windows operating system. Simply click this icon for downloading it. I'll simply click on it. Once you click on, it will start downloading. I already downloaded, that's why I'm cancelling. Let's present the PPTs. Once the software is downloaded successfully, double click on the downloaded file. Once you click on the downloaded file, it will open the window in this format, where you have to click this next button. Once you click this next button, we are going to see one more window called a license agreement window. Just click on the I agree button. Once we click I agree, we are going to see another type of window to select the installation type. The first button is recommended. By default, it is checked. And later, click the next button. Once you click the next button, we will see the window to install in specific location. Already by default it will recommend the C drive. If you are not having space in it, you simply browse it. You just click on the browse button and you choose your location where to install the software. My recommendation is to download in the C drive. Once you choose the location, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, it will open the window for installation options. In this checkbox is already checked in. Later, you simply click on install. Once you click on install, we will see the progress of installation. Once this progress is completed, we can see the window that thanks for installing Anaconda. And then click the finish button. That means we have successfully installed the Anaconda software in our system. To check what we need to do, open your apps and you can see a folder called Anaconda. In this, you have to open Anaconda Navigator. Once you click this Anaconda Navigator, it will load all the packages present in that and it will take little time to open it. So just click on this option. You can see it is adding the features and loading all the packages present in that software. You can see the window where it contains the multiple packages. So once you open, we can see one pop-up window in order to sign in for AI coding help. So if you want, you can sign it, otherwise you can cancel it. I'm just cancelling it. Now, so in this, we can see different types of text editors where we can start writing the Python programming like PyCharm, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Visual Studio Code, and so on. So in this complete course, I am going to make use of either Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. I just going to open a Jupyter Notebook here. So how to open this Jupyter Notebook? Simply click on this launch button. Once you click on this launch button, it is going to open directly on your browsers. Yes, you can see the Jupyter Notebook is opened on the browser. If you have installed the software in your system, you can work this Jupyter Notebook without internet. What and all these files here is, these are the folders and files which are present in my system. If you want to open the Jupyter file, simply click on this new button. Once you click on this new button, we will see different types of drop downs. Just click on the Python 3. Now this is a communicator between the human and the machine, IPY kernel. So just click on it. Once you click on this, it is going to open the Jupyter Notebook environment. Then we can start writing the Python programming. Yes, so this is the place where we can write the Python programming. This place we will call it as a cell. This cell only accepts the Python programming. If you write some other text rather than Python coding, it will throws an error. For example, if I am writing it as Python basics without using any syntax. Already said that every cell accepts the Python coding only, but I wrote some text. If I run my cell, so in order to run the cell, we have to use this run button. It will show it as an error. That is what. So you know that this is the text, but the machine cannot understand that user has written the text. You need to tell to the machine that this is the text. So what you need to do here is simply click on the drop down, click the markdown, so that the machine can understand that the user has written the text instead of the code. So now click the run button. Now you can see you will not get any errors. So like this, to change the option if you are not writing the code to markdown. And we will see what and all these icons represents. To add a new cell below the existing cell, you can click this icon so that new cell will be created. If you don't want this cell existing here, you can simply click this icon to delete. If you want to move this cell to downwards, then use this downward arrow. If you want to move this cell to upwards, you just click this arrow button up. If you want to add new cell above, then you simply click this icon. If you want to add a new cell below, simply click this icon. If you want to duplicate this cell just below this, then use this icon. If you want to copy this cell and you need to paste it somewhere else, then you have to use this icon, and wherever you want, select the previous cell and click this icon to paste wherever you want. And we already know that this is to run the cells. In order to download the files, click this file option. In that we can see a download. Click on the download. We can able to download the file. In this video, we successfully learned how to install software in our system. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like my video, share and comment below. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you for watching.